deal with buying Bitcoin using PayPal on Binance, huh?
Well, yeah, a lot of folks are asking about that these days.
Seems to be a popular topic.
It is very popular.
And I know there's a lot of confusion out there because there are just so many different options and ways to go about it.
Yeah.
So, I think we should just jump right in and focus on Binance today.
Okay.
What makes Binance stand out as a place to do this?
So Binance is known for its security. They've got all this stuff like two-factor authentication and different device management things. So you can be pretty confident, when you're connecting something like PayPal.
Oh yeah. I mean, that's definitely a concern I have.
Yeah.
I'm always kind of nervous about linking different financial accounts.
Of course.
So it's nice to know that Binance has all those security measures in place.
Yeah, and I think that's part of why Binance has chosen to integrate with PayPal, because they want to make it as safe and accessible as possible.
Right, because you don't see PayPal integration with every crypto exchange.
Yeah.
Why do you think Binance has chosen to go that route?
Well, PayPal has a huge user base already, right?
Oh, yeah, for sure.
And, a lot of those folks probably, are a little curious about crypto, but maybe a little intimidated by it.
Yeah, I could see that.
So it just makes sense to try to bridge that gap between the traditional financial world and the crypto world.
Yeah, that's actually really interesting. I never thought about it that way. It's like they're kind of trying to meet people where they're at.
Exactly.
All right, so let's say I'm sold. I want to give this a try. Walk me through the actual process of connecting my PayPal to Binance.
Okay, so you just log into your Binance account, and then you go to the payment methods section, click on PayPal, and it should be pretty self-explanatory from there. They might ask you to verify some details or do a security check or something like that.
Gotcha. Okay, so my accounts are all linked. Everything's verified. I'm scaring at the Binance platform.
Yeah.
And I'm ready to get me some Bitcoin.
Okay, so now you would find the Buy Crypto section. It's usually pretty easy to find in the main menu somewhere. And then from there, choose Bitcoin as the cryptocurrency you want and select PayPal as your payment method.
Easy peasy.
Exactly. Now they will show you a couple different order types.
Okay.
Like market orders, which will just buy at the current market price.
Got it.
Or limit orders, where you can set the specific price that you're willing to pay.
Oh, yeah, that's a good one.
Yeah.
My friend was just talking about that the other day, actually.
Oh, yeah.
He's really into day trading, and he's always telling me about, choosing the right order type depending on what the market's doing.
Yeah, exactly. Market orders are good for if you just want to buy it quickly and you're not too worried about tiny fluctuations in the price.
Right.
But limit orders are good if you have a specific price point in mind, and, especially if it's a volatile market.
Right. That makes a lot of sense.
Yeah.
So I've picked my order type. I've entered the amount of Bitcoin that I want. Mm-hmm. What happens next?
Okay, so they'll show you a summary of the transaction with any fees that are going to be tacked on. Always good to double check that. And then once you hit confirm, you're good to go.
Awesome. So we've gone through the whole process now from start to finish.
We have.
It's actually not as intimidating as I thought it would be.
Not at all.
But, as always, do your research, right?
Of course.
Start small and don't invest more than you're comfortable losing.
Absolutely. And Binance has lots of resources on their site about security, best practices, and all that good stuff.
Awesome. Well, I'm curious, what's the next step for someone who just bought their first Bitcoin?
Ooh, good question.
What's next on the crypto journey?
Well, I think that's up to them, right?
Yeah.
They might want to look into different wallets for storing their Bitcoin or research other cryptocurrencies that they might be interested in.
Right.
Maybe look into decentralized finance. There's just a whole world out there.
Yeah, I mean, this is just the first step.
Exactly. The possibilities are endless.
That's very exciting. Well, this has been another great deep dive.
Yeah.
Lots to think about.
Definitely.
Thanks for listening.